Are you filming?
Hello guys, and today I'm going to show you this remote control helicopter.
That can shoot water, but I haven't filled up the tank.
Yep,
to
and it shoots water through that tank at the back there, but it's not full right now. So we're going to test it out and see how it goes. Okay, go.
I'm getting used to it a lot.
Here we go. Lift off.
Lift it up. I'll take it away from you. Look at that landing!
Alright, now make it go higher.
Okay.
Awesome. I'm going to try and get closer.
This thing's so good at this! Well, if you have a tree, don't let it go through there. Okay. I've got a achievement that I need to do. That Rosen's mum, Rosen's dad told me to do. Wait, where's Dad? Yes! I completed it! I completed it! He said that I could lift it up and then make it go through and around that corner.
Okay, one last try.
Until we finish this video? Okay. I'll try to make this a long one. Try not to crash.
It's actually really cool. And there you have it.